Aspirin is the most widely used medication in the world, with around 1 billion people taking it daily. Aspirin can help to reduce the chances of heart attack or stroke by preventing development of harmful or deadly artery-blocking blood clots. Aspirin stops clots from forming in damaged blood vessels by preventing platelets from clumping together. Whilst the benefits of taking low-dose aspirin are widely accepted, a debate still exists in some countries over which type is most effective: dispersible or coated. The coating used on coated aspirin is intended to prevent the tablet from dissolving in the stomach and help to reduce issues surrounding stomach irritation or injury. But wait! Available evidence shows that coated aspirin does not reduce the risk of gastrointestinal bleeding when compared to dispersible aspirin. In fact, in many studies carried out from 1997 onwards, it's been concluded that there is no convincing evidence that low-dose coated aspirin reduces the risk of major gastrointestinal problems when compared with the dispersible form. As dispersible aspirin is dissolved in water before consumption, it is more widely spread across the stomach compared to coated aspirin, which can stay in localized areas, causing damage. Dispersible aspirin is more rapidly dissolved and absorbed in the stomach, therefore reducing the risk of bleeding by half compared to standard aspirin. And, most importantly, you also need to consider which type of aspirin, dispersible or coated, is more effective at reducing blood clot risk. Research indicates that bloodstream absorption with coated aspirin may be delayed and the antiplatelet effect reduced compared to dispersible aspirin. In fact, one of the most recent studies comparing these types of aspirin concluded that coated aspirin was not as effective as dispersible aspirin when used at the same dose. Remember, the most important factor when taking aspirin to lower cardiovascular or stroke risk is regularly taking it at the dose recommended by your healthcare provider. And when it comes to choosing the type of aspirin, always make your decision based on available evidence and research.